The ship is smashed into two pieces. Humans scramble to escape. But facing the bites of these killer whales, no human survives. Elsewhere, schools of fish and shrimp trap a fisherman at the bottom of the sea until he suffocates to death. Researchers immediately launch an investigation. They are shocked to discover an unknown fluid in the brain stems of the killer whales. This fluid could possibly be a virus. All signs indicate that marine creatures are retaliating against humans. Meanwhile, on another shore, a woman discovers in terror thousands upon thousands of crabs crawling from the ocean onto land. A man pulls his girlfriend to escape quickly, but they accidentally fall in the middle of the road. The crabs move very fast, soon invading the entire land area. Seeing such a plague of crabs, a doctor decides to study them. The doctor is shocked to discover that the crabs also contain a white fluid, and the components of this fluid are identical to the mucus found in whales. To find out how this fluid forms, a researcher risks jumping into the sea, then places a camera on a sleeping killer whale. The researcher immediately retrieves the footage to see where these whales are heading. However, a shocking scene unfolds. Whales, which typically avoid deep sea diving, are heading toward the ocean floor. At this point, the surveillance footage shows an image. They discover in front of the whales a glowing object. They realize it's an intelligent life form, manipulating the ocean creatures to retaliate against humans. However, as humans get closer to the truth, suddenly birds flock away in groups. They sense a terrible disaster coming. This abnormal behavior puts everyone on high alert. Then the seawater recedes backward. Humans, sensing danger, try to escape, but are consumed by a massive tsunami. Instantly, vast amounts of water flood the entire city. Surviving humans remain in deep fear, while the ocean's revenge has only just begun.